Hey guys, this is LayerMagic. It lets you copy and paste Photoshop layers like you would in Illustrator. So let's give you a little tutorial here. Let's say I've got some assets over here like a rabbit, and I want to copy it over into this document. Well, I select that and I hit copy, and you can see that now it and these things inside of it are all copied. Now if I switch over to this document, I will select my little triangle here, and I've got it in 2 layers. So this is the top part, and now I'll paste below that. So now I've got this rabbit that is from another document, and it pasted exactly where I wanted. Instead of dragging it over and then dragging it through this layer list trying to find where to put it. So I'll just put that right there. Now let's say I want to copy this, or you know what, I'll cut. I will cut this op art background, and it disappeared, but it's still here. It says cut. Come back, and I'll select this blue border, and I want to paste inside that. So I'll paste inside, and I can see it made a clipping mask, a la Illustrator, paste inside. So now I could show you, let's say I want to put this gradient map that's on top of the hat onto the hair. Well, I could just copy that gradient map, come over to the hair, say paste inside, boom, now the hair is purple. And now I didn't have to take this gradient map and then option click it and drag for 5 minutes trying to remember where that bunny is. Where is it? Where? Oh, there it is. And then I have to do, whoops. Oh, see, I don't even know what I did there. There we go. So those are the basic cut, copy, and paste. Cut actually removes the layer, and copy will duplicate. One of the great things about LayerMagic is that when you copy things, it stays in the LayerMagic clipboard. So if I paste this Photoshop logo, and then I paste again, and then I paste again, I just have unlimited Photoshop logos at my disposal. Even if I jump to another layer and paste above, or select this bunny and paste inside, I just have unlimited Photoshop logos. Okay, now let me show you what these solo and unsolo buttons do. So let's say you've got a lot of stuff and you want to focus on just a few things. This is like what you would do in After Effects, where you could select several objects, like all these purple circles, and I hit solo, and now the only thing on the screen are those objects that I've selected. And what's really cool about this is that I can turn on other layers like this. I can duplicate, I can delete, I can reorder layers, etc. And then when I hit unsolo, it brings the visibility back of all the other layers. And you can see that like even some that were hidden before stayed hidden. It's memorized all the other layers' visibility. Now, currently in Photoshop, if you want to do a solo, what you have to do is you click on a layer, you option click the eyeball, and it hides everything else, which is okay for one layer at a time. But while you're in this mode, if you turn on any other layers like this, then you're screwed. You can't bring back all the other layer visibilities. So I can even hit unsolo now because I've already saved that state. It brings everything back. But it's just such a much better way to use it. It's much like After Effects, and it's just another thing that I wish Photoshop had. So I built it. And my only caveat is that if you have a really complicated document with tons and tons of layers, solo can take a little bit of time because it has to write every layer. So it could take upwards of 30 seconds if you have a really long list of layers. But normally it's pretty speedy. So thanks guys, I hope you enjoy.